I'm Sarah Bendrick, licensed landscape contractor, and today I want to show you guys how to build a decorative privacy fence using Outdeco panels. We're using these 2x4 panels, and they come in a lot of different patterns and styles, so you can pick whatever really tickles your fancy. We're going to put these ones horizontal, and we're going to stack them 3 high, which will give us a 6-foot fence. These panels are great for a creative background, screening out utilities, or really whatever you want to beautify your yard. They're made out of 97% hardwood and are naturally termite resistant and more stable than natural kiln-dried hardwood timbers, suitable for all outdoor climates and can be painted for long-lasting color. Now let's get started. We're using Outdeco's post and frame system for this privacy screen, but you can install these panels anywhere you can screw into the surface. We're going to start by anchoring the first post with the included hardware. Then we're going to assemble our frames. There should be 2 sets of channels. Attach 1 long piece and 2 short pieces with the corner connectors and use a rubber mallet if you need it. All right, now we can attach this to the existing post, and this will automatically measure out where our next post goes. Place the included block under the corner piece, and now we're attaching the channel to the existing post, and make sure that the holes are on the back side. Now that we know the location of our second post, we're going to loosely anchor it down using a hammer drill and a 5/16 drill bit to get through the concrete first. Note that you have an elongated slot, so you can adjust the frame up and down if you have uneven ground. Now you'll want to continue to build upwards by adding your second partially assembled frame. Note that the top piece is assembled after the panel drops in, just like the first one, using your rubber mallet and the corner connectors. Make sure to finish securing the panels with the panel locking screws and add the post plugs to make sure no moisture gets inside the post. So check it out, it came out so nice. I absolutely love the color of these Outdeco panels. You actually can paint them if you want, and don't forget you can get super customizable with these by putting them vertically or running them horizontally. You can extend the fence linearly or create a 90-degree angle if you need a corner. With this pattern here, we actually flipped it on either sides, and that gives it a little bit of a natural look, but some people prefer the patterns to all be in the same way. So don't forget to have fun using the Outdeco post and frame system as well as the Outdeco panels.